sure. Well, Caitlin, what we're doing today is we're going to make a recipe from the official Disney park. And we're going to be making the gray stuff. So let's get started making the gray stuff. Very, very simple process. You use 1 pack of the vanilla pudding that Caitlin will open. 1.5 cups of whole milk. We're going to pour this. There's 1. And then we're going to do a 1/2 cup here. Good eyeball. 1 whole pack of this. And then we're going to start mixing it until it's a little thick. And once it's thick, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to let it harden up. Okay, so we're going to put that in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. In the meantime, we're going to smash up 15 Oreos. And we're using the double stuffed Oreos here. And instead of doing the food processor, we're going to use a bag. And then Katie is going to do some smashing. And this way, we do not have to mess up the food processor. And it's just as simple as that. So now we add a whole thing of Cool Whip, the Oreos, and 3 tablespoons of chocolate pudding mix. Okay, Katie? Ooh, it looks good. Okay. And we're going to see the nice consistency we have here? Ooh, it smells so good. Can you smell it? Oh, so now Caitlin's going to dump the crushed Oreos. Okay, and we're going to fold these in as well. And this is where we're going to get the gray stuff. Be our guest. Be our guest. Ooh. Smell it. Okay. Once you finish folding it in, this will go back in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, with magic of time, we're back. We're back. So we went ahead, before we made the gray stuff, we went ahead and made the muffins. We're using a yellow cupcake, instead of the ingredients call for a 12 scallop sugar cookies. But you know, I wanted to do what they use in the parks, so that's what we're doing here. So Caitlin is going to spoon some of the gray stuff on top of the muffin cupcake. And we're doing the spoon because it's a lot easier to use a spoon rather than a piping bag, because this is so much thicker.
That we did it wrong.
We don't do anything wrong on this cooking show. We know what we're doing. And then the last muffin, cupcake.
But you said we don't do anything wrong on this.
And we don't. And as you can see, I mean, it looks just like the book. I mean, look how ours has a bunch of... I mean, hey. That's okay. And then, final, if, as an optional, is the pearls. And there we have it, the gray stuffed cupcake, made famous by the Be Our Guest restaurant, Gaston's. So, Caitlin, dig in. Let's see how it tastes.
Gaston.
Gaston's.
Oh, no. Okay. 3, 2.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, that is good. That is good. What do you think? So folks, there you have it. Very simple recipe. We use the official Disney Parks, but I will leave the ingredients down at the bottom for you. So thank you for joining us on our first video of Roger's Magical Journeys. Talk to you later. Peace. Peace out. Bonjour!
What are you doing?
That's
What? That was you.
It was me. You gotta look forward. Or wait, the camera's fine.
Mom, go away.
Okay, we gotta do it. Okay. Here we go. Okay, quit laughing.
I can't! You keep making me jump. I'm not doing myself.
Okay, here we go. Bonjour!